I'm sure there are other ways to do this, but here is one way that you can get a 3x5 or 4x6 size onto in Word, and then you can print that and cut it out to put it on a note card. So what you can do is to insert a table, just like a one cell table. We'll go to properties to get the full idea here. So we're going to do row. That's going to be a height of 3 inches. And instead of doing at least, we're going to do exactly. And then we'll go to column and we're going to say 5 inches. We'll just make sure that this stays the same. And actually we can do that by auto fitting the column width to 5. I think that'll make it stay. So then what we can do is to take your text and you can put it in here, and you see it doesn't make it longer. So we can just make our text whatever size we need to get in here. And essentially this should keep it this size. Or if I go to view, I can see I have the ruler on, but I can also go to grid lines. And so I can really see this lining up. That's clearly 5. And this is clearly 3 because they start at the 0 mark of both of these. And also if you want to go into the table layout, you can do cell margins and you could bring those down to 0 if you'd like to, and that would make it a little bit longer. Now let's see, it did shift over a little bit from the 0. So I'm just going to shift it back to the very 0. But when you print, it should have it at that size, and then you can cut it out there. And it'll even actually have a line around it, which may or may not be useful. So that's my thought on how to print a certain size on a Word doc.